So here I am back on the water at my local. It's been a while. Unfortunately, my last couple of sessions have been plagued by sounder issues, and my last session was actually a donut. I don't get them very often. When I do, it stings. And left a very sour taste in my mouth. So I'm hoping for a little bit of redemption today. Done a bit of work on the sounder. Touch wood, seems to be working okay. Have very modest aim today. One, that the sounder was working, touch wood. And two, to catch at least one fish. So let's see how I go. We've got an outgoing tide for another hour and a half or so. So I'm aiming to fish the change of that tide, last of the outgoing and the first of the incoming, which is a good tide for this area that I'm fishing. So fingers crossed. As long as my luck holds, or skill, depending upon how you look at it, should be a good day. There we go. That's the first fish of the day. Just after I've done the intro, trolling a little hard body along the bank in about 1.5 to 2 meters of water. Don't know what it is. Oh no! Oh no, that's the way my luck has been going at the moment. Oh dear. Oh no. He's come off. Not only has he come off, but he's ripped the bib right out of the lure. Wow. I know it was an old lure, but I wasn't expecting total lure failure like that. I suppose that's what happens when you find a lure in a tree. You just can't be sure of what's happened to it in the past. Oh dear. That's not good. Please don't let that be a sign of things to come. Dun, dun, dun. If that doesn't just sum up how things are going for me at the moment. Oh well, what can you do? Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, tie on a new lure, and start again. And that's just what I've done. Whew. I'm going to say cod. I'll be wrong. Flatty. Come here, baby. Yes. Haha. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Lovely hook up right in the top of the mouth there. 4-inch DieZel MinnowZ. A little bit of Pro Cure. Look at him. Not a huge fish. If you were going to take home a fish for a feed, he'd be perfect. But he just couldn't resist that one. One hop, I think, was all it took. Just cast to the front of those snags and he was on. Good on you, buddy. Look at that eye. They're a real predator. It's okay, mate, I'm going to let you go. There we go. See you, mate. Ah, that's my one fish. Good. Pressure's off. Yeah. And that's the Pro Cure that I used just on that one. Sardine pilchard. Whew. I've gone to a slightly different spot in my local system today just to try something different. Mix it up. And my theory was structure near current. And that spot there, it ticked all of those boxes. We've got current coming through these little narrows here, and we've got structure in the form of those fallen trees. I actually thought it would be more likely to be a cod spot, given the amount of structure that was there, but obviously that little flathead, it was sitting just in the front of those fallen trees, and it thought it looked like a good place to call home as well. That's a big fish. It's got me in the snags. Done. 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 Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is what 15-pound leader looks like after it has been thoroughly taken through the snags by something big and nasty. Yes. Fish 1, rocket 0. Snag nasty. Howdy. Wondering if perhaps you can get a little bit closer to me. Not sure that you could.